Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Minecraft freezing every few seconds. So first thing that you need to do is go to your device manager and search it on your start menu. So over here on your device manager, guys, when you go to your display adapters, you will have here your graphics card. As of now, I have a Radeon RX 570, and if you are using NVIDIA, you will have here NVIDIA. So guys, for this graphics card, I will go over here to AMD, but if you are using NVIDIA, guys, just search for NVIDIA drivers, and over here just make sure to update your drivers, guys. But for my graphics card, I have here an AMD, so you are just gonna select your graphics card, and from here you need to download the latest version of drivers in order for you to improve your Minecraft. And guys, the second options is go to your control panel, and over here, guys, you should have here your Java, and make sure your Java is up to date. And after you done that, guys, if you did not find it, just search on the start menu Java, and from there you should be able to open it and go to update and make sure you have the latest version. And lastly, guys, the third one is Optifine. This mod will help you boost your Minecraft. As you can see, it boosts your FPS. It support for HD textures and the support for shaders. Just download this mod, guys, and you will be able to play your Minecraft with no freezing issue. And guys, if you are using a mobile device or iOS, the method that you could try is just try have a memory free on your phone. So just try deleting and free up your storage. And for the second option for the mobile device is just try to lower everything on the settings of your Minecraft. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.